Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be reviewing this little pocket knife. I was gifted it for my birthday. I believe it's called a carving jack. As you can see, it's got some really nice wooden trim, some nice brass trim around the edges. Now let's get into what it has inside. Okay, so I have this really nice knife. I'll come in closer, hopefully you can see that. And then second, we have this really nice V-tool. As you can see there, that's pretty nice. Really nice straight chisel there. Hope you guys can see that. Then on the opposite side, we have a nice little U-gouge there. We have the larger U-gouge, which would be great for sort of spoons and things. And then we have the straight U-gouge. Just a little word from our sponsor, Dubby. Is a really healthy alternative energy drink. If you're interested, have a look in my description and there's a nice little money off code for you. So what I'm going to do is I've got a nice little piece of wood here and we're going to try it out. So first things first, I'm going to strop. I always strop tools even if they're fresh and never been used, because you don't know if there's any little burrs or anything, or you know, you just want it to be as sharp as it can be. Okay, so oh yeah, that's good. Look at that. I like the way, you see the way the cut shines? That means it's a nice sharp blade. This is just a scrap piece of wood. Oh yeah, that's good. That cuts really, really well. I like that. I like that a lot. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go for the V-gouge. So, okay, let's try this piece. Oh, that gives a nice deep V there. That's good. Do you see that? Nice and deep. Of course, when you strop these, they're almost like two chisels side by side. So you would strop this chisel first, and then you would strop the other side second. And that helps to keep the point. So that's good. Sorry, I say that so much. I'm going to be reviewing a lot of new tools and things, so if you'd like to subscribe, that would be great for me, and then you can keep an eye on all the content that's coming out. And again, if you like the video, that would be brilliant. Likes really do help. Likes really do help a lot more than you imagine. Also comments. If you've tried one of these before, I'd really like to know your thoughts on it. Or if you're interested in, you know, using something like this, I'd really like to know. This is the straight chisel. So I'm just giving it a quick strop. Again, you just go, you find the angle of the bevel, and you just run the chisel along. Then you just run the back of the chisel, just to double check there's no burrs or anything. Let's have a look. Where are we going to go? Yeah, let's go from here. Can you? I'm hoping you can see this good. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. That's good. That is nice. That's smooth. Oh, that's another good one. On to the other side. Okay, what we're going to start with this time. Okay, we've got the U-gouge. Now with these, when you strop with these, what you want to do is just gently roll across the bevel like that, keeping the shape nice. Okay, hope you can see this good. Oh, that's nice. You can really get in there with that. So if you're making a spoon or something, that would be great. That would be really good for that. I'm going to take up the big one now. Again, I'm just going to try and roll this the best I can. What I'll probably do is do it like that. So you take it from the edge and then you just, I mean, you could technically go like this. So that's stropped. It's again got a nice clean edge. Oh yeah, that works lovely. This is end grain as well, so it's a little bit harder. But that is really good. That works brilliant. So I'm just going to take out this last one, which is the straight gouge. Again, you just find the bevel, find the angle, give it a little rock left and right, and there you go. Let's do it here. Hope you can see that all right. There you go. That's really good as well. It's nice and sharp. It can do shallow or it can go deep. So that's really good. Brilliant. Well, I hope you like my little review. I'll keep using this and I'll, let you know along the way how it's holding up with a lot of use. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and drop us a like. It would really mean a lot. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.